simplify 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 4 divided by 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 1. We can rewrite this as 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 4 into 2 by 3 raised to the power 1. We get the denominator to the top. Okay. And since we are changing the operation from division to multiplication, I'm changing the exponent from minus 1 to 1. You're getting the denominator to the numerator. So minus 1 becomes 1. So this is rewritten as 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 3. Minus 4 plus 1 is going to be minus 3, which is going to be 3 by 2 raised to the power 3. I'm taking the reciprocal. So this is going to be 27 by 8. Thank you very much.